Okay, we discovered pictures of the sails. We had a section of leach tape that was separated, and we didn't see this. We saw this when I started to look to try to make that repair. There was this little cloth that was separated. So this is called Cuben fiber. You can see the sail is all furled up, so it's pretty hard to get at it. Just stretch it all the way back through the boat just to get a little bit better angle at it. And we pull it back out here. It's a little drier than up in the forepeak. So this is here is just about 4 inches long, and it's in a low load area of the sail for sure. So we're gonna try to take this piece of, it's called sticky back Cuben fiber. The fiber is called Cuben fiber. It was developed during the America's Cup Aid Cubed campaign. So I'm going to take this. You can see it's very sticky. That's good. Because we might have to be able to do this without getting on any sequel flies. I'm going to try to make this up. Side of it. This is definitely the best way to do it. On the outside, you can't like twist it. It's pretty hard to deal with it. Little also. My friend Fabrice Amadeo is dealing with a really big tear in his mainsail. How he's going to solve that? That looks pretty good. Two of this on the other side. Cut a piece. It's inside this roll. The only way we're going to be able to do this is to get this kind of started and peel off. Boat is charging along as we're doing this. Trying to do too much. Shorten it a little bit. Maybe shrink it sideways. Trying to do too much. Back Dacron over. Try to include the leach tape. if I get it square.